ain't drunk. I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh man, you know I ain't high. But you're so high. Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then. But you're so high.
Hey kids, welcome back. I am using a completely new camera today. It is actually my Foxeer box camera that I got off my buddy Wes. I forgot I had the damn thing, so I designed and 3D printed a GoPro mount for it, a case for it today. So I wanted to give you a quick, we're going to test this guy because I did the work yesterday and did not test it yet. So last time we talked about this is the Rovan 5th scale 275A. I put the tuned pipe on it, but I also put a glass pack on it now. So it has better back compression and a little bit quieter because it's pretty shrill. I'm doing the same thing with the other 5th scale as well. And yesterday I swapped out the primary gears, the pinion and the spur gear, to a higher speed but still has a lot of torque gearing. So yeah, that's what we're going to test. So we're going to do it on our side street here. I'm going to get her all nice and warmed up, and we're going to pop the camera on there. Again, it's still not going to be as fast probably as a nitro, but this car I'm going to be continuing to do upgrades on and seeing how fast we can get it. So I'll let you guys go along for the ride. So be right back. All right, there we go. Works awesome. I love it. I think there is a noticeable difference in the get up and go. I wasn't flooring it to get it going right out of the gate, but you could tell it's not quite as torquey. But man, the top end speed is has really improved. So for 30 bucks, good investment. So till next time, kids, keep shining side up. Bam, bye.